Okay, this is the last video of the year. Wanted to take a minute to say goodbye to everybody. One of my big regrets was the way that March 13th went down. Nowhere in my wildest dreams did I think that would be the last time that I'd ever have you guys in my classroom. And if I knew the way things were going to shake out, I would have had some more profound words than "see you guys in 3 weeks." That was not how I kind of wanted to end things. So that's a little disappointed. I had some regrets about that in the last months, but it is what it is, I suppose. I do want to say thank you to everybody for a wonderful school year. I got a chance to meet a lot of new people, a lot of great people that I will absolutely rank as some of my all-time favorites. We've had some pretty good conversations, some pretty fun moments that I'll remember always. This will always be a little bit of a special group. Obviously, the way things ended was not what anybody wanted, and this makes you memorable, and just all the things you had to go through. The other senior classes that I've had didn't have to endure. But beyond that, like without that, those are all kind of superficial things that kind of discount your personalities, and it was a special year before that because you guys have a lot of stuff going for you, and again, like I said, a lot of my all-time favorites. If I had to put together an all-star class, there would be a lot of faces from this year in that class. So I'd like to say thank you to you guys for that, for all the hard work, for the fun memories, from the dad jokes to the let's see how long before Kaylee complains about the temperature in here, to calling Jaden before he got to his 6th hour to make sure he got there safe, to stealing Armin's desk every day for like a month. I feel like this was a pretty memorable year, a pretty great year. Like I said, some of my all-time favorites. About half of you I've actually had for 2 years, and you don't have somebody for 2 years without getting pretty attached, and there's no doubt that I did become attached to you guys. It's been a good ride. You guys are will go down as some of the more special kids that I've had. Just a wonderful, wonderful group, and this isn't goodbye, so please don't take it as that. I hope you guys know that you guys are always welcome in my room. Sorry about the little meltdown. I've already filmed this thing like 7 times, so I'm not going to refilm it. You'll just have to deal with that. Hopefully everybody knows this isn't goodbye. You guys are always welcome, and I wrote this in a lot of people's notes that you're welcome to come back to my room anytime. Like, I'd love to see I know you guys are all going to do amazing things, and I want to know those amazing things, like what's going on. So please stop in and visit. Drop me an email. Like that's always a nice upturn in the day. Like those make my day, truth be told. If you need help on anything, I'm always here. I'm perpetually a senior, so fortunately I'm stuck here. I can't graduate and leave. They keep calling me back. So if you need anything, a reference, advice, just want to chat, make fun of Patrick, whatever, I will be here. So please give me a shout. But other than that, like I said, I just want to leave you with, you guys are a great group, and I've enjoyed every second of this. I don't really know how to end this other than I will see you soon. Take care. Best of luck. Not that you guys need it, but it's always great to have. You guys are going to do wonderful things in life. I'll miss you all more than you possibly can know. See ya.